Day, everyone. I am Glenn Michael Biberizo from PIS IT4, and this is my topic in the title of Improving on Device Speech Recognition with VoiceFilter-Lite. So, voice assistive technologies, which enable users to employ voice commands to interact with their devices, rely on accurate speech recognition to ensure responsiveness to a specific user. But in many real-world cases, world use cases, the input to such technologies often consist of overlapping speech, which poses great challenges to many speech recognition algorithms. In 2018, we published a voice filter system which leverages Google's voice match to personalize interaction with assistive technology by allowing people to enroll their voices. So the effectiveness of voice assistive technologies which enable users to engage with their devices using voice commands depends on precise speech recognition. However, um, in uh, in many real-world scenarios, overlapping speech where several voices or sounds blend together is a common input that the systems receive. So the voice recognition algorithms face tough problems such a result of this. So in 2018, we published a method we call voice filter that uses Google Voice Match. So voice filter aims to make using assistive technology more personalized by allowing users to register their voices. So as a result, users can create a voice profile or model that is particular to them by enrolling their voices. So the system can more easily distinguish their speech from overlapping noises or voices. So ano siya? Next is proving on device speech recognition. So while the original voice filter system was very successful at separating target speakers' speech signal from other overlapping sources, its model size, computational cost, and latency are not feasible for speech recognition on mobile devices. So the original voice filter system effectively separated the speaker's voice from overlapping sources. So, however, its model size, computational requirements, and latency make it impractical for speech recognition on mobile devices. Next is for on-device applications, the new voice filter light technology has been thoughtfully built. Voice filter light directly improves these features by filtering away components not belonging to the target speaker in real time, taking exactly the same input features as the speech recognition model, the stock log filter banks. Instead of processing audio waveforms, the number of runtime operations is greatly decreased as a result of numerous network topology optimizations. The model size is only 2.2 MB once the neural network has been quantized using the TensorFlow-Lite library, which is suitable for the majority of the on-device application. So, new technology that is called VoiceFilter-Lite has been developed specifically for on-device applications. So VoiceFilter-Lite improves key features by filtering out non-target speaker components in real time using the same input features as the speech recognition model. Instead of processing audio waveforms, it uses stock log mill filter bank. So muna siya kana. Through network topology optimizations, the number of operations required at runtime is significantly reduced. So the model size is also compact at only 2.2 MB. Yun siya. Achieved by quantizing the neural network using TensorFlow-Lite. So this makes VoiceFilter-Lite suitable for most on-device applications. So next is to train the VoiceFilter-Lite model, is the filter banks of the noisy speech are fed as input to the network together with an embedding vector that represents the identity of the target speaker. The network predicts a mask that is element-wise multiplied to the input to produce enhanced filter banks. So a loss function is defined to minimize the difference between the enhanced filter banks and the filter banks from the clean speech during training. So pag-train sa voice filter light is uh, The network takes the filter banks of the noisy speech as input along with an embedding vector that represents the identity of the target speaker. So the network then predicts a mask that is applied element-wise to the input, resulting in enhanced filter banks. So during training, loss function is used to minimize the difference between the enhanced filter banks and the filter banks derived from clean speech. So this training process helps optimize the model to effectively separate the target speaker's voice from the noisy input. Next is this is the voice filter light is a plug and play. So from the word plug and play, so dali ra siya. So voice filter light is a plug and play model and which allows the application in which it's implemented to easily bypass it if the speaker did not enroll their voice. So this also means that the speech recognition model and the voice filter light model can be separately trained and updated, which largely reduces engineering complexity in the deployment process. So voice filter light is a plug and play na daw siya. That can be bypassed if the speaker hasn't enrolled their voice. This allows the separate training and updating of the speech recognition and voice filter light models. It significantly reduce engineering complexity during deployment and making it easier to integrate and maintain the system. So next, so addressing the challenge of over suppression. So muna siya. So when speech separation models are used for improving speech recognition, two types of error could occur under suppression. When the model fails to filter out noisy components from the signal and over suppression when the model fails to preserve useful signal resulting in some words being dropped from the recognized text. Over suppression is especially problematic since modern speech recognition models are usually already trained with extensively augmented data, such as room simulation and spec augment, and thus are more robust to under suppression. VoiceFilter-Lite address the oversuppression issue with two novel approaches. First, it uses an asymmetric loss during the training process such that the model is less tolerant to oversuppression than other suppression. Second, it predicts the type of noise at runtime and adaptively adjusts the suppression strength according to this prediction. So the two form of mistakes under suppression and oversuppression is can happen when employing employing speech separation models to enhance speech recognition. So as opposed to over suppression, which results in drop words. Under suppression occurs when the model is unable to eliminate noise. Most speech recognition algorithms are already trained to manage the under suppression, thus over suppression is a particular channel. So over suppression is combated by voice filter light employing two innovative methods in order to prevent oversuppression. It first uses an asymmetric loss during training. Second, during runtime, it dynamically modifies the suppression strength in accordance with the anticipated noise kind. By avoiding unnecessary filtering and adjusting to various noise and circumstances, these methods improve the accuracy of detect detect text. So, ano siya? Next. So, This is the image of the voice filter light adaptively applies stronger suppression strength when overlapping speech is detected. So, muna siya. Na siya ay adaptive suppression strength, input filter blanks, and output filter blanks. So, this is the future work. Voice filter light has shown encouraging outcomes for speech apps that are used on mobile devices. We are investigating two additional directions to increase its usefulness. First, we want to increase voice recognition for a larger range of languages by expanding the model's training and evaluation to include languages other than English. Second, we are attempting to directly optimize the speech recognition loss that occurs when voice filter light is being trained. So this could improve speech recognition performance in ways other than only resolving overlapping speech. So this is the future work of the voice filter light. So mas gusto pa nila nga mas i-improve pa ang voice filter light. So dili lang siya mag-focus sa English language kundi pwede siya ma-apply sa different languages. So second is mo siya dili lang pag resolve of overlapping speech ang ilang gusto ma 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 focus aning voice filter light kundi daghan pay lain. So So this is the last. Thank you for listening for my topic. I hope you learn a lot from my topic, and thank you very much.